So I'm currently at the Film Park Babelsberg, and in there's an orchestra of 60 people secretly recording the greatest masterpiece of all time, Medieval Empires. Finally, we're about to launch our game, so just follow me along. You wanna see something great? Follow me. Welcome to the secret recording of the Medieval Empire soundtrack. You are about to witness something great. Let's have a look, but be quiet.